Hey Libra, what's up? How you doing? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. This is a general love reading for you right here. God has blessed it for us. Thank you, Heavenly Father. Hey. Libra, if you want to book a personal with me, perfect. Information is in the description box just below. Yeah, so apply this reading to your status, whatever that is. Okay, let's just get into things. See what we get. Cha cha cha. Libra. Wow, okay. It is really popping this summer. I mean, it's really happening for a lot of people, you included. Looks like might be kind of taking its toll financially. Maybe health-wise too, maybe just it was a little too much partying, a little too much indulgence, a little too much eating, drinking, yeah, but it's busy. It's been a busy past several weeks. There's been a lot going on personally, professionally, in your career, all that and everything. So yeah, a bunch of new things that have been kind of different for you. So that of course requires more energy because right, it's new, you don't know, you got to be on extra. But yeah, just busy, having fun, doing good. I feel like some of you maybe getting married, getting engaged, planning gatherings, graduations, birthdays, but a lot of fun. Uh-oh, look that we done got. Look at you now, honey. Look at you now. Libra said, I'm going for it. I am going for it. Now, here's the thing. With this Five of Pentacles right here, it would suggest the glass is half full. It's not all the way. So we got some needs that we have, right? So the Fool is like, okay, well, it could go either way. It's 50-50. It could be very successful or it could be very unsuccessful. I feel like right now, this could be more of the unsuccessful side. And I think that you see that clearly as well. Like if you're thinking about this logically, which you probably are, then you already know it's probably not going to be that successful. Okay, but because you don't know, we only know until we try. It's like, hey, I'm going to go for it anyway. Let's see what happens. Why not? It's already, been planned, or things towards it maybe have been going on. So, or like another one, but it's maybe yours. Maybe you were going to others and now this is yours or something. Let's see. Okay. All right. So we got some progress, which is nice. Three of Wands. Things are starting to, come together, show some life. Maybe after a bit of not much movement, things are okay. I see. I feel what's coming. Okay. He's at the he's at the I don't know. It's not really the pier, but what do you call those places where they can see the ships coming in? Yeah, I guess it is a pier, but the landscape term is escaping me right now. But he's there and he can see, oh, there's my babe, there's my beauty. She's coming in, she's loaded. I can see she's got a lot of cargo, but she's very far off, maybe a day or two, but the visibility is there. Okay, so we know something is coming from this, likely from this you know, whatever this new opportunity, leap of faith is. It's like, okay, finally, let's see what this unexpected is. Okay, so this unexpected, Libra, is you're gonna have to work hard. You're gonna have to probably put in some extra unexpected serious labor for it. Maybe some more money is needed. Maybe, I don't know, just some fine tuning. The details need to be restructured or something. But yeah, there's gonna be this intentional focus on, you know, the minors before we go live. So something like that, okay? It's gonna kind of come up unexpected, where it's gonna require your full attention immediately, and you got to really look at it with like a fine-tooth comb. All right, let's get a little more into this for you, Libra. Look, oh my gosh, oh my good Lord in heaven. I had to tell you guys this. I just did Pisces general reading, and I kid you not, same position, same cards right here. The Four of Wands with the Three of Cups. This is kind of wild. But yeah, I mean, good vibes. Whatever this wedding, party, graduation, birthday, whatever it is, it's fun. We're having a great time. Everybody's cup is full. We're dancing, we're toasting. Everybody has something good to celebrate, good that they're bringing to the table. Everybody's truly, genuinely happy for one another. Very much celebratory. We're having a lot of fun. Okay. So this, yeah, going for it. I mean, you know, adventurous. Like I say, why not? There's risk, but hey, isn't that life? This Knight of Wands says to hell with it. He's going for it, and he's going for it fast, without a doubt. Like, caution is thrown to the wind. He don't care. He's like, yes, he's very passionate and exciting, and you know, he's just a thrill of a good time. He don't care. He's like, listen, we're alive right here, right now. Let's do what we're gonna do, okay? Whatever that is. And whatever it is, you're going to have a good time with him. So, yeah, this full energy, something really big and fun is happening here. Maybe it's somebody, right, that you're with or just met or dating, and, you know, this is that first date or something, or this is that, you know, something's different with this one. But it's fun and like, whew. Yes. Oh my gosh, look, you have it twice. The Four of Wands. Oh my gosh. Wow. What is this? And you got this Page of Swords. Man, you got a lot of, so whatever this Three of Wands, this growth that's coming in, this your opportunity that's coming back, man, I think it's going to be a lot bigger than you were thinking. You can see that, oh yeah, it's bigger than how I sent it, but when it really comes to shore, when it really comes in, wow, you're going to be very much celebrating. Wow, this is beautiful. You talk about success. Oh yes, oh honey, this leap of faith, you go ahead, Libra, because it was very much worth it. Very much. Now, okay, that's okay. This King of Swords, it could be your energy, could be somebody, something you're dealing with, but this is because that unexpected, those little fine details that we weren't really thinking we're gonna have to redo, I think that might really kind of tick somebody off, maybe you, but this is that tyrant energy. It's kind of, you know, confusing because he's upset. He's mad. So he's not coming across. He's not thinking clearly. So, you know, be careful for that. The fine little things that come up, try not to you know, see with anger or yeah, too much disappointment, because then it won't make sense with what you need to fix. You won't be thinking clearly. So you or whoever, whatever, just make sure that whoever's handling those little specks is in the right mind frame to do it. Otherwise, get somebody who is, okay? Because there's some news coming in that might be a little bit like, wait, what? I think it could be attached to this unexpected, and I don't think it's a hiccup, but it's just like, oh, hold on, we gotta fix this, we gotta fix that, we gotta fix that one too. So, you know, other than that, it's all good. All right, great reading for you right here, Libra. I hope it blessed you, honey. I'm gonna close it. So like, subscribe, share. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.